You can make steady income online as a social media manager. A lot of businesses and companies are looking for social media managers to help them manage and maintain their social media accounts. These companies are ready to pay social media managers huge sums of money just to help them stay visible online. So please seize this opportunity right now and become a social media manager and start making money. Also, there are a lot of social media management jobs ready for you on freelance websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, and peopleperhour.com. The jobs that are available on these freelance websites can pay you thousands of dollars every month. But before we continue this video, please permit me to explain what a social media manager is all about. A social media manager is an individual who manages the social media presence of a business or a person. As a social media manager, you will manage an organization's online presence by developing and implementing their social media strategy. So please follow this step-by-step guide to start a successful social media management career right now. Step 1: develop the necessary skills that you need as a social media manager. You need to develop the necessary skills that you need as a social media manager. Here are examples of the skills that you need to become a professional social media manager. These skills are content creation skills, communication skills, social media management skills, social media marketing skills, creativity skills, copywriting and writing skills, graphic designing skills, and digital marketing skills. So please learn and develop these skills properly so that you can become a successful social media manager. Step 2: buy the necessary equipment that you need as a social media manager. You need to buy the necessary equipment that you need for your social media management career. These are the list of equipments that you need for your social media management business. The equipments are laptop or desktop computer, internet connection, mobile phone, and video editing software. So make sure that you purchase these equipments for your social media management career. Step 3: create a website for your social media management business. You need to create a website for your social media management business. You also need to list all the services that you provide on your website. Also remember to provide your contact details on your website. This will make it easier for your clients to contact you. Step 4: start looking for jobs. You need to start looking for social media management jobs immediately. You can find social media management jobs on freelance websites such as Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, and freelancer.com. So register with these freelance websites and start applying for social media management jobs listed on those websites. You can also offer your social media management services to businesses and companies around the city that you live in. So create complimentary cards and look for companies that might need your services in your city. Step 5: promote your social media management business online. You need to promote your social media management business on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Create social media pages for your social media management business on various social media platforms. You can run ad campaigns on social media for your business. Ad campaigns can help promote your business effectively. You can also use email marketing strategies to promote your social media management business. So use social media and make sure that you are very active on social media so that you can easily promote your social media management business effectively. So please follow these strategies to start a successful social media management career online. So that's all for today. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so that you can get the latest information about online businesses. Also remember to ask me any questions on the comment section so that I can answer them immediately. Remember to like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online. Also watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money easily online. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye. See you on my next video.